Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can see hidden DMs on Instagram. So here I've already on Instagram, and if you didn't know, there are actually hidden DMs that probably you missed like I did. So here is how you can see the hidden DMs. After you open an Instagram, just go to the DMs, and then here you can see there's a request option. So just click on that request, and in here there are actually will be a few hidden message in here if it's any. So there will be also hidden requests that uh, probably your non-followers send your message, and it will be shown in the hidden request here. So you can just see the messages or DMs in here in the message request. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.